Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to know how to run OLS regression by using Eviews. So first of all, we need to uh, paste the data in Eviews from Excel. Okay. So actually, I'm pasting here. So I'm doing what is necessary for this. I'm clicking next here, then next, then finish, then no. Okay. So my data has been copied to Eviews. So now I have to run OLS. Okay, so for OLS, I need to go first to quick, then we have to click on estimate equation here. Then I have to I have to put the equation in this box. So first of all, I need to type my dependent variable. So here my dependent variable is GDP. Okay, so this is my GDP, then followed by constant, then followed by my what independent variables. So my independent variable is uh, FDI, foreign direct investment here. Then I have export. So this is my dependent variable GDP. This is constant. This is two two of my independent variable. One is my FDI. Another one is export. So here in this particular problem, I'm going to uh, test the impact of FDI and export on the economic development of a country. So here I'm choosing India as my sample, and GDP is my what? GDP is my dependent variable, FDI is my first independent variable, and second is export is my independent variable. So here in this particular box, I have considered LS least square ordinary least square method. Then my samples period is 1996 to 2015. So I'm doing nothing here right now. I'm clicking OK. So this is my answer. This is my regression result. So actually I have already saved this output in in note here. So you can clearly see that uh, here FDI has here FDI has what here here FDI is having a negative relationship with what with my dependent variable, that is GDP. Okay, so as I told you earlier that GDP is my what dependent variable. uh, then FDI is my first independent variable. Then I have export. Then export is my second independent variable. Okay, so in this particular problem I'm going to discuss how GDP has been affected by the help of two independent variable, that is my FDI and export. Okay, so I can write here that y is equal to alpha plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus error term. Okay, so as I'm dealing with time series problem, so I can write t here. Okay, g. Okay, so here my y is what my dependent variable, that is GDP. Okay, then beta 1 is my coefficient of what first independent variable, that is FDI. Then x2 is my second independent variable, and b2 is my uh, coefficient of independent variable, second independent variable. Error term is random disturbance term, or it is known as stochastic. So coming to the result, uh, I have uh, I have clearly shown that FDI has a negative relationship with what? FDI is having a negative relationship with GDP. Then export is also having a positive relationship with GDP, and at the same time FDI uh, has uh, has an insignificant relationship, and export is having a significant relationship with GDP. Then coming to the R square, the R square is 76%, which is quite good. So I can clearly interpret this result like this, that my independent variable FDI and export jointly explaining my independent variable up to 76%. Okay, so So coming to the F statistic, this is statistically significant, so I can clearly say that my model is clearly fits here. And coming to the Durbin-Watson test, it is clearly stating that there is a autocorrelation problem. So as per the rule of thumb and as per many papers, as per many past literature, many researcher has suggested many rule of thumb. So I'm considering 1.9 to 2.1 here. So if the Durbin-Watson statistics varies between 1.9 to 2.1, then there is no problem of autocorrelation. But here the value is 0.57, which clearly states that there is a problem of autocorrelation. Okay, so so I'm again telling you that in a regression analysis, the the result is to be interpreted in this way, that the R square is 76%. It states that my independent variable, my two independent variable, altogether explaining my dependent variable 76%. Here my first independent variable FDI is insignificant and having a negative relationship with GDP, and my second and my second independent variable is export, which is having a significant as well as positive relationship with what, with GDP. Okay, so this is all about how to run a regression analysis, how to run a regression analysis using Eviews. Okay, so thank you so much.